West Mogrango na Tubasana. Oise kwa anda Bosongo otobwate umo senator otenede chi constituency Kianda. Ndikwa nini? Kianda. Oise kwa anda Kakamega otobwate umo senator otenede chi constituency Komina Ibere. 12. Oise kwa anda Bungoma the same. Oise kwa anda Lamu tuko na governor ama senator ambaye anasimamia constituencies mbili. So tubwato wanene which county na barubu pimo. So sometimes senators are not able to oversight. Mbai konya na oversight governors whose activities ya count governments properly. So the proposal which we have here as a bill ili roisirie Nelina tutuale an oversight fund for the senators. So that akaro umuskoko rubonyonka akorubuwa ebo gitutu kwenye walenchirago ika umachoge. Aende South Mugrang, aende Nyalibai, aende Bonchari, aende bo gitutu chache North na bo gitutu chache South. Ndegwane na basipamiti. So that no enu mugabano yonka uyogoro kwa Kongo mugeni na yeye apate njia ya kufanya hiyo supervision. Uise kwa ndase na wajia ne county nene ebwete Embu combined na Meru. Na kwa sababu watu wanakaa in towns, saa zingine inakuwa vigumu sana for a senator to cross from one town to the other. We say from one constituency to the other. That's why mwegule na governors yoko nyaraba kuma na kurumambe na ichi senator yara sometimes by kuma na kigen kolete kigen rete. Nobora yekara bantu ba chorirwe ubago chorwa elinde bakolera bantegas. Nondo nyantubu atinchera to community. No mujumbe. Onyantubu atinchera to koligerere. Naboko nyana na chiwa sirchisi ni chiko icha chiwento ko given as bursaries chiwento ko gorama liogo chiwento ko libinte vingi njiri okora njiri okora because ekoba kon umurayo de bwens utumia chiwa sia ko mubuko ili large ko libinte na biyo kolekana wose kwanyora governors they become corrupt aba kumi asoko enda mpaka asi senate baenda bali kichi committee chirichi kuba oversight baenda baba kwa vera chivesa keri report ya chiri kurwase control of budget kurotwa nyalile control kurwase auditor general baenda kwanya na bachi civil elinde amangana atako manyikana. That's why today municipal count chose P. You can rate count number 1 depending on the governor or to count number 47. Tegwa nini? Mwenye down the mamini. Na waelezea ili kusudi mjue that's why the senators, after doing an assessment, after the implementation of the current constitution from 2013, it's a feeling that we introduce that fund so that we're able to do proper oversight by the senators. Number 3, National Government Affirmative Action Fund. Given to women reps. It's a prescription in the law about the women rep depending on the number of constituencies you have. Iga kwa uchiwa singa na iga kurwase budget. Umongina Jerusha noale, umongina Donya noale kuru Bosongo, na abande countrywide. They are 47 in number. So na chirochio it's being governed by an act of parliament. The intention is to make sure no go as per the proposal the jailer Uchiko kuna kobe kwa se constitution so that those 3 funds chive governed properly. We want to know what's coming. So there's a feeling chive se chio uchiko interfere na amangana devolution. Kono ni numura ateve. Kuna chive se chio ekorochi achira se constituency. Nku undermine chile activities by county governments. Usichibe se chio karochi go cha kurungafu. Uchigo interfere. Usichia saria. Imepange liyo konyora gavana zibabwate no mwigura abantu bawo kwana. Mwigwa mnganayo. Mwenye igwete ose mwenye igwete. Ose morocho buya go sobo sera. Bugo tuara chibe se chio. Na ende kwando to promote it to be captured in the constitution. That is the purpose as to why we are here, and so that we can add value to the proposal, so that we can improve that proposal. Because enense ekoba governed by amachiko and amachiko na bagote boyo. Na watu wengi wanatweka ransen tuweka tugo eti. Lakini owo chika ose constitution yako tebana valia moko represent kera ni numo to achinguru chinguru mbwate igondo stino tumugirango wedera sikora yetipo atinguru chini chions kera njene kure ya mongo alete mbwate so wika aseko vetereri tuwa icha semole tuwa maboli na kitoko para manganaye ekere county assembly ya Nyamire wikaransa ye wende kuikaransa kwa niaba yenyu MCA teyo cholire ubwato bumanyi kubwa inwe buli mubwato mugwende kwanda mwa mutumu. The same thing to governors. That's why a county government ekwenda yaikaransa yaro siende kuna CIPP, County Integrated Development Plan. Wenda kuba subjected to public participation. Ekerego ikae kerenyu award mugo ikaransa na tuikaranste mwate bainu mote tukwaga ajiru enteke entute neke intuna north mogrango entute stadium entute gete neke account government ya na ikaransa kare ikaransire ya beke enteke to that plan so that ya guide karojibas chachire ya implement all those projects. So that's why tuikaransta through the parliamentary initiative, we went to go change that constitution. Ilinde na itora nyale kubeka. Ose era itora nyale konyole pila. Yoko kubeka those 3 funds as a constitution. Na bata ina gantu bata basketball parliament, the National Assembly.